Hello everyone, I'm David Shaw and this is IDZ News. First up in this episode is a new Intel DevTools article about one-line code changes to boost Pandas, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow performance. Intel's latest AI software optimization reduces time to solution for data and compute-intensive analytic workflows. The special thing about it? This Intel software drastically improves data analytics performance on Intel processor-based platforms with minimal code changes. Next, read the blog by Sergey Maloykov from Creative Assembly and Steve Hughes from Intel that describes how Creative Assembly used Intel CPUs to inject more realism into the video game A Total War Saga, Troy. By taking advantage of the unused cores, this team managed to add significant improvements in visual quality in the game. The design flexibility allows for maximum quality on high-end CPUs and the ability to revert these effects for lower-powered CPUs. By utilizing CPUs, this team was able to deliver a more immersive, realistic experience for its users. And finally, I want to tell you about our new Intel Edge AI certification course. Sign up for certification that can help you advance your career and get you recognized with new marketable skills. It's a self-paced online training course that includes not only virtual classroom instruction, but also hands-on projects. You'll learn to use the latest Intel developer tools and platforms to create your own portfolio of Edge AI solutions. Register today to start earning your certificate. Thanks for watching and follow the provided links to learn more. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next IDZ News.